Are you a health and wellness business owner? Well, stop overpaying your taxes and start putting money back in your pocket right now. Did you know that according to a Forbes article that 93% of entrepreneurs overpay their taxes? Here's the article. Did you also know that a U.S. study concluded that over 2,000 businesses overpaid on their taxes by an average of $11,638? Here's the study. These overpayments are especially troubling because there's no automated system for refunding them or even alerting the taxpayers who have mistakenly overpaid. Imagine what you could do with the money, like investing back in your business or enjoying an amazing European vacation for $11,638 every year. $11,638 was the average. Some people overpaid by $20,000, $30,000, even $40,000 or more. And that's every year. Heck, $11,638 over 5 years is $58,190 and $116,380 over 10 years. I mean, picture the peace of mind you'll have knowing what $116,380 could do for your retirement or your business or even that romantic getaway you've been putting off. That means a lot of business owners, just like you, are giving Uncle Sam more than they legally have to. And as a health and wellness entrepreneur, the chances are very high that you are overpaying on your taxes, and probably by $11,638 or more every year. Now that's a problem. So that being said, why does this problem even exist if your taxes are being filed correctly? I mean, how is this even a thing? Because your taxpayer is probably doing the taxes right? So, who is your tax preparer? Well, your tax preparer is either you, a tax preparation service like H&R Block, or maybe even a CPA. Wait a minute, Mike. You mean I could be overpaying my taxes even if I have a CPA doing my taxes? Yep, 100%. You see, CPAs have hundreds of clients. They love to do tax planning but are burnt out. They're just too tired. So, if your taxes are being filed accurately, how are you overpaying taxes? I mean, that's a question that you have to ask yourself because the money you're overpaying to Uncle Sam should be staying in your pocket. So as an example, if you paid $40,000 in taxes last year, you could be overpaying by as much as $15,000 to $30,000 per year. And that money could be staying in your pocket, with your family, your business, in your retirement account. And you could be doing that every single year. Now that's a problem. But the real question is, why does overpaying taxes even exist? I mean, why is that even a thing? How do I pay the least amount of taxes legally allowable? Well, here's why. Tax preparation is history. Yes, history. It's in the past. And you can't change the past. When your CPA does your taxes, he's looking back into the past, last year or years, and giving an accurate account of what happened. Sure, you're giving them the receipts, the bank statements, the financial reports, etc. But doing his job right means reporting the history of your business and personal finances accurately. If you're doing your own taxes, you're doing the same thing. If you're using a tax preparation service like H&R Block, it's the same thing. You bring in a big box of receipts and say, "Here you go, Sally, do my taxes. I hope I don't owe too much," with a feeling of fear and trepidation. Well, I've got news for you. They're probably doing your taxes right as much as they can. I mean, maybe they miss a deduction, maybe they're aggressive, maybe they're not. Can you see now how by only filing your taxes, you've actually locked your business, your family, your vacations, and your retirement into unnecessarily giving money to the IRS? Take a moment to internalize that. I'm still here. So, Mike, what's the solution, you ask? Are you ready? Well, here it is. The solution is tax planning. Yes, Tax planning. You have to be proactive and forward-looking instead of just reactive and accounting for the past year. You have to tax plan. I mean, imagine what your life could look like with thousands of dollars for your family, your hobbies, and your retirement. So now you know the problem and the solution. Here's what you can do to fix it. Just click the button below and schedule your free tax savings call. During the call, I'll even tell you your overpayment amount. Just last week, I spoke to John B., and he said he was blown away when he learned he had been overpaying his taxes by $35,550 per year. Now that money funds John's retirement. And now John has clarity and peace of mind when it comes to his taxes. Hey, I'm Mike Allers, the founder and creator of BizTaxPlan.com. We provide world-class tax planning and financial education for health and wellness entrepreneurs. And why should you listen to me? Well, like you, I'm a business owner. I've owned several businesses for over 20 years, and more importantly, I've saved business owners and investors millions of dollars in overpaid taxes. But it wasn't always that way. See, there was a time when even though my company had millions of dollars a year in sales, I felt frustrated and overwhelmed because of the amount of taxes that we were paying, and I didn't understand why. And to make matters worse, I had friends and associates who had businesses that were making way more money than mine, but who were paying less in taxes. And to top it all off, I wasn't funding my retirement or even able to take my family on any of those fancy vacations that some of my friends and colleagues enjoyed. So I hired some of the top tax experts in the United States to teach me the top tax strategies used by the most successful business owners in the nation. I took that knowledge and not only used it in my business, but for our clients as well. See, these strategies are legal, time-tested, foundational tax planning strategies that have saved our business and clients millions of dollars per year. So if you're ready for clarity, peace of mind, and, oh yeah, lower taxes and more money in your account, click the button below this video to schedule your complimentary tax clarity call now. See, knowing without doing is not knowing. And now that you know, schedule your appointment now. Just click the link below.